Hi everyone, this is another Doyusha made in Japan model kit. It's a civil airplane Boeing 767 by Hokkaido International Airlines. This is the size. You can compare with a knife. This is the inside. Actually, it's a decal, the advertisement for the civil flights and civil airplanes instruction kit. There's two parts and a stand. They are almost same as European models like Revel, etc., but they have little less parts, and I mentioned it before. Is it necessary to assembly, for example, this gear kit with a few small parts? It is very easy to assembly. It has interlocking parts. You can see here. You almost don't need glue. Actually, instructions said you need some things, but only with sharp knife you can. Maybe even you don't need a knife, but there's small parts you need to remove, so it could be better. This time I use little bit of aluminium metallic gray for the wings, and for the body I use light gray, and it's white, and yeah, it's focused, and black for the I'm gonna use for the landing gear, little bit black, and I use little bit cement glue for these parts, and last I will use wrinkles. Okay, I just finished it. It is very nice. I have some little problems with decals, not because of quality, because I don't have sticker glue or sticker solution, so you can see there's some problem with but decals are nice. If you want, there's also a stand, so if you want to put it on a stand, you need to make a little hole here. There's no reference, you must do it yourself. It is nice, not so bad.